Here's to a smooth ride. Oh, those cones are sleeping on the job. Look at the leaves change on those trees. It's pretty. I don't know if I want to be behind that. Yeah, get off your phone. Guys, catch you on camera on your phone. Call 1-800, I don't care. Just wishing for a good day. This is so much fun. Funny, funny, fun, fun, fun. I just don't know what to talk about. I am so boring. Sorry, not sorry. Just practicing. You know what next year's gonna bring though? We'll get even better microphones, because these ones, even if it's in a better location, they're cheap. They're very cheap. I want a golf cart. It's so much fun. See what shenanigans we're gonna encounter on 1/22nd. Darwin Awards. Okay. Have to remember I don't need to tilt my head up so high. Y'all's not looking for UFOs. Oh, there are a lot of people out today. Enjoying the nice weather, I'm sure. I wonder if the camera caught that. Tie a little spider balloon to it. Oh, he waved before he turned. That's cool. Let's see what fun times await at work. Squirrel! Squirrel, run, squirrel! Oh, I hit the worst part of that bump. Oh well, I'm still up. It was fun. Yeah. Oh, hubcap. Missed that. Cool. That would have been interesting to run over. But my shoulder is hurting pretty good. And I just deal with it. See what the sky looks like. Oh, I'm on my last 2 brain cells and they're still fighting for 3rd place. Look at all the glitter. Thank you for waiting.